Today we are going to talk about a development on Golf Course Extension Road. This is a project which is one of the luxurious development of Golf Course Extension Road. This project is coming from a young developer. This developer started their operations around 4 years back. They have around 40,000 crores of assets under management. They have launched more than 6 projects in a span of 4 years, out of which 3 projects are getting into a possession. In just 4 years, this developer has more than 6,000 happy customers on board, and the future development is proposed for around 5 crore square feet of area in next 5 years. So this is a visionary development that we are going to talk about. Yes, I'm talking about Smart World developers, and we are going to capture there one of the key luxury development that's coming on Golf Course Extension Road. The name is Smart World The Addition. इन्होंने अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करी 2021 के अंदर, बट इसी के साथ इन्होंने अपने अराउंड 6 प्रोजेक्ट्स को लॉन्च करा इतने शॉर्ट स्पैन के अंदर. दे बॉट न्यू काइंड ऑफ कंसेप्ट्स, नया इनोवेशन लेके आए मार्केट के अंदर. इन्होंने लो राइज डेवलपमेंट, हाई राइज डेवलपमेंट, लग्जरी डेवलपमेंट, कमर्शियल डेवलपमेंट, सारी चीजों के अंदर फोरे किया. एंड एट द सेम टाइम 6 प्रोजेक्ट्स में से 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑलरेडी डिलीवरी पे आ चुके हैं. और अगर हम इन प्रोजेक्ट्स की लोकेशंस के बारे में बात करें, दे ऑपरेट इन ऑल द माइक्रो मार्केट, वेदर इट्स गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड, वेदर इट्स एसपीआर रोड, न्यू गुड़गांव या द्वारका एक्सप्रेस. इनफैक्ट ये जो डेवलपर है नोएडा मार्केट के अंदर भी एंटर करने वाला है इन अ स्पैन ऑफ नेक्स्ट 2 to 3 months. So today, as I said, we are going to capture the luxury development that's coming up on Golf Course Extension Road with the name of Smart World Edition, that is in sector 66. And when we talk about the location and the vicinity developments, it has a strong ecosystem, strong social infrastructure. In fact, जितनी भी residential development जिसकी surroundings में है, those are all high end. इसका जो neighborhood है बहुत strong है with the A-grade commercial developments and the strong brands around it. So we are going to capture everything that you want to know about this project. So let's dive into the analysis of Smart World The Addition. This project was launched around 1 year back, and when it was launched, it was talk of the town because developer ने सारे international consultants को involve किया for making, which is one of the marquee development of Golf Course Extension Road. अगर हम बात करें कि Smart World के portfolio में ये कहाँ पे lie करता है in terms of luxury, so this is going to be on the top of the ladder when we talk about कि किस तरह की luxury इस project के अंदर आने वाली है. तो developer ये कह रहा है कि this is going to be the one of the flagship project, and at the same time because Smart World and M3M are one and the same thing. M3M is the parent company, Smart World is the sister concern. अगर हम M3M और Smart World के overall portfolio के अंदर इस product को understand करें, so it comes at second level. First project in terms of luxury is Trump Towers. Second is Smart World Edition or altitude that we can talk about. So as I said that we are going to capture multiple facts in this video. So let's first talk about the location of this product. The location is sector 66. It's around 200 meters from the Golf Course Extension Road. In fact, जब हम Golf Course Extension Road के बारे में बात करते हैं तो 200 मीटर का कमर्शियल बेल्ट है जहाँ पे मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द डेवलपमेंट्स आर गोइंग टू बी कमर्शियल. मॉल्स आएंगे, ऑफिस स्पेसेस आएंगे, रिटेल होगा, एंड मैक्सिमम ऑफ द डेवलपमेंट इज गोइंग टू बी बिहाइंड इट. In fact, this is around 300 meters from Golf Course Extension Road, and there's an exclusive road that is coming from Golf Course Extension Road to Smart World Edition. In fact, उस particular road पे किसी और developer का project नहीं है. So this becomes an exclusive boulevard to this particular road, and in fact, Smart World has adopted that particular road. That is a 44-meter road, and where the developer has started maintaining the road, and going forward, they are going to maintain this particular road throughout the life. So they are signed up with MCG. So जब हम कह रहे हैं कि MCG से उन्होंने adopt कर लिए, so it becomes an exclusive boulevard to Smart World Edition. They are going to maintain this particular road. There is going to be proper horticulture, the left and the right of the road, the proper road का जो leveling होगा, metaling होगा, it's going to be properly done by Smart World. इसकी सराउंडिंग्स के अगर बारे में हम बात करें, when we talk about sector 66 के अंदर और क्या डेवलपमेंट्स आती हैं, जैसे M3M IFC आता है, M3M कॉस्मोपॉलिटन आता है, ईमार का मापिया डेवलपमेंट आता है, दैट इज अ लो राइज डेवलपमेंट, अ सुपर लग्जरी विला कम्युनिटी वेयर इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम अराउंड 12 crores, goes up to around 24 to 25 crores. 66 के अंदर इमारत की 2 और डेवलपमेंट्स हैं, पाम ड्राइव एंड पाम टेरेसेस सेलेक्ट। इसी के साथ जब हम सेक्टर 65 के बारे में बात करते हैं, अगेन विसिनिटी सेक्टर टू इट, you will have Golf Estate, you will have Trump Tower, you will have M3M 65, you will have Wordmark. So that's a kind of vicinity that this particular project is going to have. Strong neighborhood, luxurious development all around. The neighborhood is going to be upside. जब मैंने बताया कि ये सेक्टर 66 पे पड़ता है, it is only 300 meters from Golf Course Extension Road. Golf Course, अगर आपने न्यूज़ में भी सुना होगा या we will just mention the article here also. Golf Course Extension का पूरा revamp का plan है. It's going to become a traffic-free road. There's going to be underpasses and elevated corridors. Those are going to get created, and the connectivity is going to get very strong. As we see कि Golf Course Road आज जैसा है, वैसा ही Golf Course Extension बनने वाला है. तो इस तरह this product is very well placed, only 300 meters from Golf Course Extension Road, और इसकी surroundings जैसे मैंने बताया बहुत strong है. इसके आसपास सारे schools हमें देखने को मिल जाते हैं. सेंट जेवियर स्कूल हो गया, हेरिटेज स्कूल हो गया, DPS इंटरनेशनल, HDFC स्कूल. तो ऑल द A grade educational institutional you can see near to this development. Hospitals भी only 10 minutes की drive में है. The commercial activities are very strong. AIPL के 2 commercial developments which are coming. M3M IFC already operational है, Wordmark already operational है. There are very big brands coming just next to it at the same time. A lot of F&B developments are there. So now let me give you a quick gist about the project. Now Smartwood Edition is approximately around 11 acres of development. There are going to be 3 twin towers, or you can say 6 towers. अब 3 twin towers क्यों कहा जा रहा है इनको? Because they have done twin towers architecture into this product. So as I said that this project is inspired by Trump Tower development. In fact, lot of things have been imbibed from Trump Tower in terms of design language. So it's going to have 3 twin towers, and it's going to be ground plus 42 floors with a clubhouse of around 1.25 lakh square feet, and it's going to capture all the amenities that we can talk about. In fact, as per the developer, this clubhouse is going to be a 7-star clubhouse with world-class amenities fixed into it. There's going to be 4-level basement parking. अब आप गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड या इनफैक्ट पूरे गुड़गांव की बात कर लो, कितने डेवलपर्स हैं जो 4 लेवल की बेसमेंट पार्किंग देते हैं. इनफैक्ट मैं आपको एक चीज बताता हूँ, आज की डेट में जब आप कोई भी कंस्ट्रक्शन करता है, सबसे ज्यादा कॉस्ट गेट्स इनटू द बेसमेंट कंस्ट्रक्शन और द बेसमेंट डेवलपमेंट. सो द डेवलपर इज पुटिंग लॉट ऑफ मनी इनटू द प्रोजेक्ट सो दैट दे कैन प्रोवाइड एम्पल पार्किंग टू द कस्टमर्स, एंड इट बिकम्स अ शेयर लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट for the customers. Already construction start हो चुकी है. अभी हम construction status के बारे में भी बात करेंगे. We will show you the live video how the construction is happening in this video. And Ahluwalia Contractor is the construction partner. And the main part of this project is that 75% of the total 11 acres is the open areas. So the construction footprint is only on 25% of the total land area. So we will also come on to the master plan. As I said, we will capture the master plan and the layouts. Master plan में हम बताएंगे कि इनके जो टावर्स की ओरिएंटेशन है कैसी है, इनके टावर्स किस तरफ फेस करते हैं, सन फेसिंग कितने टावर्स हैं, और इसके आसपास सराउंडिंग्स में कैसा डेवलपमेंट दिखता है. Before moving ahead, we have to capture a very key and important thing, that is the international consultants which are involved in this particular product. So the architecture is being done by Studio Symbiosis, which is active in Germany, UK and India. The club and the common area interiors are being done by Grey Matters, Singapore. The landscape design is being done by Red Landscape Thailand. So these were few of the international consultants which are involved into the development of this particular project. So now I'm going to give you a very important statistics for this particular project. आज सिर्फ एक डेवलपमेंट के अंदर या एक प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर स्क्वायर फीट या क्लब हाउस ये इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं होगा, बट उस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर किस तरह के लोग आके रहने वाले हैं वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, किस तरह का नेबरहुड होगा वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो मैं आपको थोड़ा सा आइडिया देता हूँ कि इसके अंदर किस तरह के कस्टमर्स आने वाले हैं जिन्होंने आज तक इस प्रॉपर्टी को बाय किया है. सो वी हैव गॉट द डेटा फ्रॉम द कंपनी एंड वी आर गोइंग टू गिव यू अ स्निपेट ऑफ इट. नाउ 68% of the people who have bought this property are working at a senior leadership position of corporates. 22% are businessmen and self-employed. Around 10% are others. और एक बहुत important चीज, around 17.5% are NRIs who have invested into this property. So this is the kind of mix of people. Once you take the possession of the property, so the internal neighborhood of this project is going to be very high-end and like-minded. Now let's talk about the master planning, the layouts and the sizes of the apartments. Now first, let me give you a brief about the master plan. This development is ground plus 42. इसकी जो surrounding developments हैं वो 12 floors के आसपास की आपको मिलेंगी या low rise developments मिलेगी. अब हम जब 300 मीटर से अंदर आते हैं, आपको रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट ग्रीन मिलेगा इसके साथ चलता हुआ, एंड दिस फॉरेस्ट ग्रीन इज स्ट्रेचिंग अप टू अ लॉन्गर एक्सटेंट. तो ये जो स्ट्रिप है ये बहुत बड़ी रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट स्ट्रिप है. इनफैक्ट पहले इसको बांध की बोला जाता था, और एज पर द गवर्नमेंट, एज पर द फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट, इट हैज टू रिमेन लाइक that only. So it's going to be a purely green area. As you can see on the master plan, the reserve forest green mentioned. So this particular development, this project is going to be just next to this reserve forest green. हम जब इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर एंटर करते हैं तो आपको ये टावर्स की प्लेसमेंट मिलती है. 4 टावर्स एक तरफ है, 2 टावर्स दूसरी तरफ है. Then there is the central greens and the clubhouse in between and the water bodies. And you see the sports amenities just next to tower 4. So as we enter, tower number 1, tower number 2, tower number 3 and tower number 4 are on one side of the land parcel, and tower 5 and tower 6 are on the other side of the land parcel. When we say twin towers, so 1 and 2 become first twin tower, tower 3 and 4 will become the second twin tower, and tower 5 and 6 becomes the third twin towers. Now the clubhouse is placed just next to tower number 5. That is around 1,25,000 square feet. और अगर हम EWS के बारे में बात करते हैं तो टावर 4 के एकदम फैग एंड में आपको EWS दिखता है. तो EWS का अलग से एक्सेस होगा प्रॉपर्टी में, एंड इट्स नॉट obstructing the view of any of the towers. There's going to be huge central green as you can see in the master plan with water bodies and the great horticulture that's being done by the developer. अब मैं जल्दी क्विकली आपको बताता हूँ कि ये टावर्स की प्लेसमेंट्स और ये टावर किस तरफ फेस करते हैं. तो टावर 5 और 6 को जब आप देखते हैं, दीज आर फेसिंग टुवर्ड्स माबिला विलास और माबिला ग्रीन्स एंड द फार्म ग्रीन्स, व्हिच इज अ लो राइज डेवलपमेंट. इट्स ओनली ग्राउंड प्लस 2 का पूरा डेवलपमेंट है. दीज आर अराउंड 240 विलास बाय ईमार. तो आप ये देख सकते हैं अराउंड 50 एकड़ का ये ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट है, विच इज अ लो राइज डेवलपमेंट. तो इन 2 टावर्स में 1 और 4 नंबर जो यूनिट है वो फेस कर रहा है इन लो राइज डेवलपमेंट. देयर इज गोइंग टू बी नो ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन थ्रू आउट योर लाइफ इफ यू आर बाइंग दीज यूनिट्स. और जब हम सन की भी बात करते हैं तो 5 और 6 नंबर में 1 और 4 नंबर जो यूनिट है, दैट इज अ सन फेसिंग unit. The balconies are going to face towards the sun and the low rise development. And in fact, आपको इनकी balconies में से आपको व्यू मिलेगा of Golf Estate, Trump Towers and the city skyline. And when we talk about tower 5 और 6 के 2 और 3 नंबर units का, these are inside facing unit which are going to face towards the central green, and again there's going to be no obstruction in front of it. So you are going to have absolutely green view from your towers, and then you are going to have a city skyline view. इसी के साथ जब हम टावर 1, 2, 3, 4 के बारे में भी बात करते हैं, जो इनर साइड फेसिंग अपार्टमेंट्स हैं, टावर जो यूनिट नंबर बनते हैं 2 और 3, these are going to face the central greens, and at the same time these are going to face towards the Aravlis and the low rise developments of Mabila. और इसी के साथ आपको सिटी स्काईलाइन का भी व्यू मिलेगा. और इन्हीं टावर्स के 1, 2, 3, 4 टावर्स का जो 1 और 4 नंबर यूनिट है, those are going to face towards the city skylines towards the extension road, and इसके आसपास सारा low rise development है. Maximum it's still 12 floor. Now coming on to the sizes of the apartments, the layout. There are going to be 2 sizes. One is going to be 3.5 plus utility, and another one is going to be 4.5 plus utility. 3.5 plus utility, the size is going to be approximately 3,000 square feet, and 4.5 plus utility, the sizes are going to be somewhere around 3,600 square feet. So now let's discuss are the layouts of this project. Let's try to understand कि क्या चीजें हैं जो developer में इसने डाली है and how the efficiency is placed with this development. So first we are going to discuss the 3.5 BHK plus utility. As I said, there are going to be 4 apartments to a floor. There's going to be 4 elevator per tower. Now this is going to be the main entrance to this 3 BHK apartment. And just next to the foyer, there's going to be a space for study or a home office that's going to be around 6 by 6. It's up to you how you want to utilize it. Even you can make it part of your living and dining area. And the living and dining area is huge. So it's going to be 25 by 13 and 21 by 11. It's a L-shaped living and dining. और इसका अगर हम layout को देखें, as we enter, there's a foyer, then the living area, then a huge deck of around 9 feet wide. So it gives you a feel of openness as you enter the apartment. मैं इसकी key USP जो है, that is the balcony, or we can say it as deck or veranda. So it is huge. It's a running balcony throughout the 3 BHK apartment. All the bedrooms are going to be attached to this particular balcony, and the living area is also going to be attached to this balcony. और सबसे बड़ी चीज और बहुत ही यूनिक चीज जो इस डेवलपर ने इस लेआउट के अंदर डाली है, that is the jacuzzi in the balcony. So the master bedroom is going to be around 12 by 17. It's going to be a additional dresser space plus the washroom area. The other bedroom is going to be somewhere around 11.5 by 22 के आसपास. Again, a separate washroom to it. The third bedroom is going to be 18 by 13 के आसपास with a dresser attached to it. The kitchen is going to be 13 by 8. Now your servant entry is going to be separate, as you can see it from there. So you're going to have the servant entry, then there's going to be a utility space, then the servant room of around 8 by 5 with its own washroom area. So the layout is superb. When we talk about the efficiency, including the balcony, including the usable space of the apartment, it comes out to be around 73%. A very good efficiency for these kind of apartment. Now coming on to the 4 BHK apartment, obviously it's around 3600 square feet. The living and dining area expands. और जो इसके बेडरूम साइजेस हैं वो 4 हो जाते हैं. द डेक एरिया also gets stretched. So you can see how it is placed. This is the main entry, the foyer, the study, and the space for home office, as we stated earlier. The living and dining is going to be 25 by 13, 22 by 11. It's going to be again L-shaped. Now coming on to 4.5 BHK plus utility, that is around 3600 square feet. Again, a L-shaped living and dining area. 25 by 13 is going to be the living area. 21 by 11 is going to be the dining space. That's going to have the space for the bar. Then there's going to be a kitchen. 3 bedrooms are going to be on one side. 1 bedroom is going to be on the other side. In fact, 4 BHK अंदर 2 master bedrooms होने वाले हैं. 1 master bedroom is going to be of almost around 19 by 12. The another bedroom is going to be 11 by 22. So huge master bedrooms. Now the third bedroom is going to be of around 12 by 18, and the fourth bedroom is going to be 18 by 30. As you can see, the balconies, these are going to be L-shaped balcony to the 4 BHK because these are going to be the corner unit. Again, the private jacuzzi in the balcony space. Servant entry is going to be separate. Now coming on to the specification is going to be iron. It's going to have the imported marble flooring in living dining area. Your bedrooms are going to get wooden laminated flooring. You're going to get modular kitchen with the chimney and all. There's going to be a VRV air conditioning throughout with the central ducting in living and dining. Plus washroom fittings are going to be fully done. There's going to be an air purification system built into aircon itself. The floor to ceiling height is going to be 3.45 meter. Again, one of the key USP of the project. Now, when we talk about the elevation, as I said, it's going to have the twin towers, but the developer is also imbibing the lighting element into the elevation. So it's going to be very bright in the evening, and it will give this project a special place in the skyline of Gurgaon. The lobbies are going to be grand and super luxuries with the international consultant doing the interior work for it. There is going to be a Mercedes available in the concierge for your personal utilization. Personal lounges for refreshing. There's going to be al fresco lounges within the community. There's going to be bartender on call, chef on call. There's going to be a rooftop, infinity pool, social amenities, and the wellness and sports amenities within the clubhouse. The clubhouse, again, I would like to state it's going to be around 1,25,000 square feet. This is the elevation of the 7-star clubhouse that Smart World Edition is going to have huge gym spaces, spa, sauna, restaurants, banquet hall, mini theater, library. This is how the infinity pool is going to look like. There's going to be a boxing ring within the clubhouse, private theater, party hall, business lounges, sports bar, a few of the further amenities that this project is going to give you. Now these are few of the sports amenities: internal badminton courts, squash courts, gymnasium. These are few of the amenities that this project is going to imbibe. There's going to be a beach park, one of the project in Gurgaon that's bringing a beach concept within the green areas of the project. The construction is in full swing. You can see the current status in this video. The construction is moving fast. Ahluwalia Contractor is a construction partner. एक चीज जो मैं मिस कर गया हूँ, those are the views from the apartment. You're going to get the city views, lagoon views, or the Aravali views. Any of the views you can choose from. Now coming on to the price and the payment plan. Now the price of this development currently is 18,750 rupees per square feet plus other charges. All inclusive, it touches somewhere around 21,000 rupees per square feet. A very competitive price. The kind of elements that this project is offering, जिस तरह के इंटरनेशनल आर्किटेक्ट्स को इन्होंने इन्वॉल्व किया है, जिस तरह की ये कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रही है, 4 लेवल की बेसमेंट बन रही है, 1,25,000 स्क्वायर फीट का क्लब हाउस बन रहा है, 21,000 पे फुट इज अ जस्टिफाइड प्राइस. अभी हम इसको कंपटीशन के साथ भी कंपेयर करेंगे, सो यू विल हैव अ बेटर पर्सपेक्टिव कि आप इसको किस राइट प्राइस पे बाय कर रहे हैं कि नहीं. द पेमेंट प्लान इज गोइंग टू बी 40% within 6 months and 16% are nearing possession of the property. Now coming on to the competition, I will give you a trend कहाँ पे आस-पास की developments placed हैं. When we talk about Golf Estate, Golf Estate is operating in a price bracket of around 25,000 to 27,000 rupees per square feet in the secondary market. इसी के साथ जब हम बात करते हैं Trump Tower की, Trump Tower from the company is coming at 40,000 rupees per square feet in a resale market operating at a price of around 35 to 36,000 rupees per square feet. DLF Harbour की रीसेल होती है 27 से 30,000 रुपए पर स्क्वायर फीट. Taj Ishwa is operating at a price of around 23 to 24,000 rupees per square feet. M3M Altitude operate करता है from the company at a price of 27,000 rupees per square feet. आपको पता ही होगा कि Privana North has been launched at a price of 23,500 rupees per square feet on SPR 76 and 77. Now this property is bang on Golf Course Extension Road. So obviously दोनों different micro markets हो जाती हैं, but still this price is very competitive. In fact, Trump 2 जो अभी launch हुआ था, Trump 2 भी company is selling at 30,000 rupees per square feet. In the resale market, it's operating at a price of 26,000 rupees per square feet. So a price of 18,750 plus other charges, all inclusive 21,000, it becomes a fair price for such a luxury development to hit. और इसी के साथ अगर आप एक full comparison चाहते हो competition का, you can comment below. We will give you a full comparison video and share it with you how this project or how Golf Course Extension Road is placed with one project to another project. Now coming on to the future trajectory, मैं कुछ trigger points आपको बताऊंगा which is very important for this particular micro market, that is Golf Course Extension Road. क्या आपको पता है कि Oberoi Realty ने इस रोड पे लैंड एक्वायर करी है और इसी फाइनेंशियल ईयर दैट इज 2025-26 के अंदर वो अपना प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च करने वाले हैं और वो लॉन्च करेंगे 40,000 रुपए फुट से ऊपर के रेट पे. इसी के साथ ग्रैंड हायत के सामने डीएलएफ ने भी 26 एकड़ का लैंड एक्वायर किया एंड दे विल आल्सो लॉन्च देयर प्रोजेक्ट अबव 40,000 रुपीस पर स्क्वायर फीट. तो जब 40,000 रुपए फुट से ऊपर यहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च होंगे, दैट विल बिकम द बेंचमार्क प्राइसिंग ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर रोड. सो ऑटोमेटिकली ये जितने भी प्रोजेक्ट्स होंगे इनके प्राइस पॉइंट ऊपर जाएंगे एंड बीइंग अ लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट, द लोकेशन इज सुपर्ब, दिस प्रोजेक्ट विल ऑटोमेटिकली गो अप. और आज से बाय द टाइम द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द डेवलपमेंट इज डन, मैं अगर बताऊं आपको कि इसका प्राइस पोजीशन तक कितना हो जाएगा, तो पोजीशन तक यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट एटलीस्ट 32 to 35,000 rupees per square feet this project should operate. अब इसकी मैथ्स क्या है फॉर इन्वेस्टर या एंड यूजर के लिए भी. आपने अभी 40% दिया, 40% मोटा मोटा बनता है 8,000 रुपए फुट. बाकी जो पेमेंट आ रही है वो पोजीशन के आसपास आ रही है. तो आप 8,000 रुपए फुट लगा के यू आर पार्ट ऑफ दिस ग्रोथ स्टोरी. You can expect a 100% appreciation जो आपने 8,000 रुपए इन्वेस्ट करे हैं वो 8,000 के 16 से 18,000 रुपए फुट हो सकते हैं बाय द टाइम द पोजीशन ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी कम्स। आपने उस टाइम इसे होल्ड करना है या इसके अंदर रहना है, दैट्स गोइंग टू बी टोटली योर कॉल। दैट गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड इज गोइंग टू सस्टेन, द गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड इज गोइंग टू बूम। रीजन इज ओनली वन, देयर इज अ स्केर्सिटी ऑफ लैंड सप्लाई। लैंड जो है बहुत लिमिटेड है, जितनी भी नई लैंड एक्विजिशन हो रही है वो हाई रेट्स पे हो रही है, तो डेवलपर नीचे के रेट पे प्रोजेक्ट को लॉन्च ही नहीं कर सकते। Now coming on to the positives and negatives of the project. Positive is the location, the entry boulevard that the developer is creating, the floor to ceiling height that is huge, the neighborhood development around it, the commercial and the social infrastructure around it, the schools and the hospitals around it. This is the key USP, the key positives of this project. Obviously, it's a luxury development, so its specifications and only here the clubhouse has to be big. And the main positive is the payment plan, 40-60. Now we come on to the negative. Negative, I think it's not actually a negative, but the possession will take around 4 years from now. It is not ready to move in और early possession नहीं आ रहा, तो जो लोग जल्दी possession चाहते हैं वो obviously इस property को consider नहीं कर सकते, 4 साल बाद possession आएगा. Secondly, because it comes under a TOD land parcel, the density is going to be slightly high. But Oberoi reality और जो DLF का भी नया launch आएगा, they will also have the same kind of density into the project. जैसे प्रेवाना की भी density TOD के ऊपर ही operate करती है. So this is all about Smart World, the addition. If you want to understand more and you want to have a personalized preview, the sample apartment is ready. The model is there in the sales gallery of the developer. If you want to have a personalized preview, you can connect with us. We would be happy to assist you, and at the same time, we will be able to give you the best deal in this project. I Saurabh Duggal, with the experience of around 20 years, I've worked with a lot of developers at a leadership level. In fact, my last assignment was Vice President with SmartWorld developers, and I've worked with Shapoji Palanji at a leadership level, Puri Constructions, Imar, India, and DLF. So I have experience of around 20 years. I understand the market. So connect with us. Our team would be available to assist. And very important, subscribe us and follow us on YouTube and Instagram.